Assalamualaikum everyone. Right now I'm create for artificial intelligence for Laravel. I'm go to backend panel. This one for recent view collection for user session and then for recent view show. I am already creates two section. Display on or recent view and for automatically category name show and then for title colors and everything is there. So I'm already save and update. Okay, I'm go to this panel and just reload and then see automatically this one show. I'm go to for take and program and WordPress. Okay, this one geek one I'll just not open. Okay, see this one automatically detect for WordPress, automatically show two section already create and then WordPress full customization and then WordPress automatically showing. And just I'm go open the private browser, just copy this URL and open the private browser. Okay, this one for private browser and this page going. Okay, see this one not anything show. See this one not anything is show, but I'm go to graphics design, click. Okay, and okay this one show and go to home page. See automatically graphics included for a related product automatically show, and then I am go to for this one and go to home page. See automatically categories generate, this one for and this one for automatically generate. So this one for artificial working and user session generate and then for automatically show. Just I am open new tab, example I am open new tab, copy and then paste. Automatically show for everything as for browser set for AI and then for automatically show user information collected and then automatically geek showing. I hope like it this video, and then you can need for a similar script, so go to Freelancer and then check out for 1 year free support and everything is fine. I hope enjoy this video, and then you can subscribe my channel and also share this with your friend. Thank you.